I know you are either into business or managing multiple clients, juggling 5 different tools, one for email, another for booking calls, a third one for CRM, and somehow you're still paying separately for the landing pages and automations as well. Today we are checking out a platform that everyone is using right now and replacing all their tools with a single platform. GoHighLevel. But here's the thing, I'm not here to sell you on it. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, who is it for, pricing, UI and dashboard, and where it falls short, and most importantly, whether it's actually worth your money. Hey, Shivam here, and you can try it out for 30 days from the link in the description below. So what is GoHighLevel? It is an all-in-one CRM and marketing platform. It started as a tool specifically designed for marketing agencies, but it's evolved into all-in-one platform. Instead of just managing your one thing at one platform, another thing at another platform, it combines the entire client management system with marketing tools, communication channels, and even payment processing all under one platform. The core idea is simple: capture the leads through the forms, landing pages, or websites built directly in the platform. Then you nurture those leads through the automated email and SMS campaigns, which is in the platform as well. And then you book the appointments using the built-in calendar booking system, manage your sales pipeline, collect payments, and track everything through detailed analytics. All that on a single platform. Agencies are also taking advantage of its white label capabilities and rebranding the entire platform as their own, creating sub-accounts for each client and essentially running their own SaaS business using their infrastructure. Isn't that cool? Now, who is it for? Let's be honest about who should and shouldn't consider GoHighLevel, because this matters more than the features list. This platform shines for service-based businesses like coaching, consulting, or any business where you are managing client relationships and appointments. If you are a real estate agent, insurance broker, or run a local service business, the tools here are specifically designed for your workflow. It gives a great edge to marketing agencies too if you're managing multiple clients and need to provide them with landing pages, email campaigns, and automation. Being able to create separate sub-accounts for each client is incredibly valuable. Plus, you can charge your clients monthly while you pay one flat fee to GoHighLevel. But if you are just starting out with a very small budget and simple needs, honestly, the learning curve here might be more than you need right now. Let's talk about what this actually costs, because pricing can make or break a decision. So there are 3 plans. The starter plan runs at $97 per month. This gives you access to all the core features, that is unlimited contacts, emails and SMS marketing, funnel builder, calendar booking, CRM, and the workflow automation. You get 3 sub-accounts, which means this is perfect if you are using it for your own business or managing just 3 clients. Then there's unlimited plan at $297 per month that gives access to unlimited sub-accounts. This is the agency plan where you can create separate accounts for as many clients as you want. And then there's Agency Pro that costs $497, and there are additional features like SaaS mode, automated sub-account creation, rebuild phone and email with markup, and advanced API access. Now here's my perspective. If you were to piece together similar functionality from different tools, let's say ActiveCampaign for your email automation, Calendly for scheduling, ClickFunnels for landing pages, and standalone CRM, you would easily be spending around $500 per month. So from a pure cost perspective, it can represent significant savings. I've also partnered with GoHighLevel to provide you an extended 30 days of free trial instead of the standard 14 days. So you can easily try it out, see if the platform works for you, and only then continue. The link is in the description below. You can check it out from there. And now let's talk about the UI and dashboard. Let me just walk you through what you will actually see when you log in and use this daily. When you first log in, you will land on this dashboard. If you are into agency plan, you will see all your sub-accounts listed. Think of sub-accounts as completely separate environments, one for each client or a business unit you are managing. Once you are inside a sub-account, the left sidebar is your main navigation. The Conversations tab is probably where you will spend the most time. It's your unified inbox showing all communications. You can assign conversations to team members, add internal notes, and even use text shortcuts for common responses. Calendar is there to view your appointments, see booking links for different services, and manage your availability. The round ribbon feature is useful if you have a team and want appointments distributed automatically. The contact section is our database. client or prospect lives here with their complete interaction history. We can tag contacts, create custom fields, and segment them into group or targeted campaigns. The opportunities section is our deal pipeline. We'll see cards representing each potential sale, draggable across stages you have defined. Click into any opportunity to see related tasks, notes, and communication history. Payments shows the transaction history and lets us create payment links or set up subscription products. We can connect our Stripe or other payment processor and collect payment from our client. Now, marketing is where email and SMS campaigns live. We can create one-off broadcasts, automated sequences, or triggered campaigns. The campaign builder shows preview modes for both email and mobile, which helps ensure our messages look good across devices. Automations is the workflow builder. This is where we create if this, then that logic. The interface is drag and drop with triggers, actions, and conditions. Recent AI additions help suggest workflows. Sites is the funnel and website builder. We get templates for various industries which can be customized. The builder is point and click with sections you can move around. It's not as flexible as a full website builder, but works well for landing pages and simple funnels. Now, one underutilized feature is the membership section. We can create a simple membership area or course platform right within GoHighLevel, complete with content-driven scheduling and user access management. That was just the tip of the iceberg. There is a lot more in the platform, but that would be too much to cover in a single video. I'll try to make more videos about it. Let me know if you would like to see that on the channel in the comments below. By the way, if you are liking it so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. Now let's talk about the aspects that aren't so great because no platform is perfect. The learning curve is real. This is probably the most common complaint because this platform does so much. Figuring out where to start can be overwhelming. The interface has improved, but new users still report feeling lost in the first few weeks. You are essentially learning how to use 10 different tools at once. So here's my recommended approach. Start with a trial and pick one specific business approach like lead capture and follow-up sequence. Build that completely, test it out, and then move on to the next one. You can also use the marketplace to get some templates which will give you a starting point and you can customize according to your preference. So you don't have to start from blank. So this approach is perfect. Now don't expect to replace all your tools immediately. Gradual migration is often smarter than trying to flip everything at once. So after everything, is GoHighLevel worth it? For service-based businesses and agencies managing client relationships, appointments, and marketing campaigns, yes, this platform delivers the real value. The consolidation of tools alone can save you hundreds monthly, and the time saving from having everything in one place compounds over time. The starter plan at $97 makes sense if you are a sole entrepreneur or small business owner who needs CRM, email marketing, landing pages, and appointment booking. You are getting enterprise level functionality at a fraction of typical cost. The agency plan is a no-brainer if you are actively managing multiple clients and can white label the platform. The ability to create unlimited sub-accounts means your per client cost drops dramatically as you grow. However, be prepared for learning investment. This isn't just plug and play. You will need to commit time to learn this platform properly, and the first month will feel a bit overwhelming. If you need something immediately or don't have the time for the learning curve, this might not be the right moment to jump into this platform. If you decided to try it out, take advantage of the 30 days extended trial from the link in the description below that you won't get if you go directly on their website. That gives you extra time to build something real and see if this workflow is for you. Now, have you used this platform or considering it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, or if you have any questions, then you can drop them as well. Also, if you would like to see more videos about this, you can leave that down as well. Now, share this video with your entrepreneur friends who will find value out of this video. Now, if you are looking for some useful Mac apps, then these videos will definitely help. However, that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.